All right, guys, good morning. This is No Excuse Mentality Podcast, where we break barriers, embrace excellence, and unlock limitless potential. It is June 15th, Thursday, 8:45 in the morning. And today, guys, I want to talk to you guys about the power of saying no. All right. This is something that the reason it came up, it was on Tuesday. We were having another podcast, and it just occurred to me in that podcast to really talk about the power of saying no, and not only in life, but most importantly in trading. All right. So the power of no. It may seem small, but its impact can be immense when it comes to trading, guys. In the world of trading, where decisions are made in the blink of an eye, the ability to say no can be a game changer. Trading, as you guys know, is a very, very fast paced and dynamic environment. All right. It is filled with countless opportunities and temptations. All right. We see that constantly. It is filled with countless opportunities and most importantly, and the worst thing is temptation, right? Whenever we see a setup, we just want to go ahead and take it. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement to say yes to every potential trade and to chase every market trend. But true success in trading lies not just in the ability to say yes, but also in the power of saying no. It doesn't mean that you get to trade every single setup. It doesn't mean that if the setup is there, you should also trade every single setup, right? You need to learn to say no. You need to learn to say, I am not going to trade this opportunity that I see, all right? Saying no in trading means having the discipline and the courage to resist impulsive actions. Very important. Impulsive, to resist impulsive actions. It means saying no to trades that don't align with your carefully planned strategies and risk management principles. You need to know, like I always tell you, before you enter, you need to know how you're going to exit. If you don't know how you're going to exit, then you have no business in getting into the entry. All right. It means saying no to emotional impulses that can cloud your judgment and lead to poor decision making. Emotional impulses. That means there's no rational behind it, right? You think it's rational, but it's emotional. And you need to understand and say the word, no, I am not going to trade because it is going to cloud my judgment and it's going to lead for me to make a poor decision once I'm getting in. And then once you get in, you're gonna feel bad because then all the other things start coming in, right? Did I make the right setup? Am I doing this right? You start questioning yourself, right? The power of saying no in trading lies in the protection it provides. By saying no to trades that don't meet your criteria, you shield yourself from unnecessary risks and potential losses. You preserve your capital, right? You keep your money and maintain a clear focus on your long term goals. Remember, in trading, it's not just about the trades you make, but it's also about the trades you avoid. All right. You guys need to learn that sentence, probably write it down. In trading, it's not just about the trades you make, but also about the trades you avoid. When you avoid a trade, you probably saying, "Well, I missed the opportunity." Listen, that's a win. If you miss an opportunity and you learn not to chase it, and you're saying in your mind, "No, I'm not going to take this trade," you are applying the word no. You are still winning because you are winning mentally, where you're winning emotionally. That means you're having control or when and where you want to play. You are setting the standards. So it's not just about the trades you make, but it's also about the trades you avoid. Saying no requires self awareness and deep understanding of your trading strategy. That means if you don't see it, you're not going to force it. It means having the confidence to trust in your analysis and to stick to your plan, even when others are swayed by market hype or short term fluctuations. What does that mean? It means that you will stick to your plan regardless of what you hear from other people. It means you're being selective and patient, waiting for the high probability opportunities that align with your trading edge. I show you guys, and I put it on the Discord. My dad yesterday made $82, and I think it was 20 cents or something like that. And I asked him, "How many trades did you take?" He took 8 trades and made the $82. Now you guys know, and I wrote there, I promote one trade, you get out, right? But here's the thing: he's jabbing the market, right? Jab, $10 here, $15 there, $10 here, $15 there, right? He's jabbing. He's not going for a wide open play. He's not going for the big swing and a knockout, right? He's just jabbing, jabbing, and we see that in boxing constantly, right? Jabbing. He's we they in boxing they jab to keep the opponent away from him, right? Jab, keep the distance, and eventually they're gonna what? They're gonna throw that punch. Well, many of you need to start just jabbing, jabbing, right? And I'm seeing it now, right? I see the 30s, the 40s, the 20s, and that's good, guys. All right, it's jabbing, jabbing, and you can do it like that and get 100, $150 a day. It's just jabbing, right? So, in a world where noise and distraction abound, it's all over the place. Saying no is a declaration of self-control and mastery, guys. All right. You have to be patient. You have to be patient. But then again, my dad is sitting there from 9:30 to like 3 o'clock, right? He's making it a full-time job in his office, sitting down. This is what I do. And one of the things because I ask him, because I know my dad is a very patient man. So when I ask him, what is it that you do? You know what he does? He takes a trade. Once he takes a trade, he gets a winning trade. He gets up, goes to the kitchen, gets water, sits in the sofa, talks to my mom, comes back, does a trade, executes, gets up, goes to the kitchen, eats, talks to my mom, comes back out. That's he's and I didn't tell him to do this, but here's the thing: it's getting his mind away from having an impulse. Oh, I made $10. Let me just go back in right now and make another 10. No, he's walking away. He's coming back. He's walking away. He's coming back. Right? He's not sitting there the entire time, which I think helps a lot. So you need to stick to your plan. It means having the confidence to trust in your analysis and stick to your plan. It says in a statement that you value your long-term success more than immediate gratification, right? So we're looking for that long-term success. We're not looking just to make that few bucks and then that's it, right? It is the hallmark of a disciplined trader who knows that consistency and patience are key to sustainable profitability. All right. It is the consistency and patience are keys to the profitability. But saying no in trading is not just about avoiding the wrong trades. It's also about saying no to self doubt and fear, right? It's not, if you're not sure, don't take the trade. If you're overthinking it, don't take the trade. If you're having second thoughts, say no and don't take the trade. If you feel that, hey, I didn't do the right analysis on this, I don't feel it's right, don't take the trade. Saying no will help your risk management. It is about saying no to the negative influences that can cloud your mindset and hinder your performance. It's about saying no to the naysayers and the skeptics who may doubt your abilities, right? So we see this constantly in social media. A lot of people talking about, oh, why are you doing this? Why are you doing that? You shouldn't trade like this. Oh, you're wasting your money. Hey, did you do this trade? Hey, did you take this trade? And then when you tell them no, they start saying, oh, I could tell you're a rookie. You missed that bounce. You missed this, and you missed. Who gives a crap, right? Who gives a crap? It's not their money. It's my money. It's my risk management. It's my strategy. I get to choose when I want to play and with who I want to play and at what time I want to play and in what candle I want to play. And I choose when I want to get out and I choose how much I'm willing to lose and I choose how much I'm willing to gain. All right. That's the good thing about the market, guys. You get to choose what in the hell you want to do. Nobody else can tell you what to do or not to do. You are the one that chooses whether you trade or don't trade, play or not play, how much you want to win, and how much you're willing to lose. You even that you can choose. If you open up a business in the furniture business, I didn't choose how much I wanted to lose. No, because I get furniture from all over the world: China, Vietnam, Malaysia. And all those furnitures, they travel in boats and then they go to trucks and then they go to warehouses before they get to me. And did you think that I had to choose whether a leather sectional will arrive to me damaged once I deliver it to the customer? That's a loss. I don't choose that loss. No, that was given to me. In the trade business, you get to choose, this is how much I'm willing to lose, right? This is how much I'm willing to lose. So we should not be losing $300, $400. We should not be losing that, right? Because you get to choose and say, if it gets to negative 50, negative 60, or whatever your tolerance is, you're going to say, I'm going to be out. And that's it. You take it, right? That's it. All right. I hope you guys are understanding this. All right. When you say no to self doubt and fear, you create a space for confidence and growth. Okay. You open yourself up to new possibilities and embrace the challenges that come with trading. You develop resilience and a mindset that is focused on continuous improvement. Saying no becomes a catalyst for personal and professional development, guys. It's not only in trading, it is in life. The word no, it's a powerful thing, guys. The word no is a powerful thing. And I use this word constantly. I use this word constantly, and I have taught my daughters to do the same. You need to learn to have sympathy and empathy, but you need to learn to say no. No is powerful. So I urge you to embrace the power of saying no, ladies and gentlemen. Be selective, be disciplined, and be confident in your decisions. Let me repeat that again. Be selective. Again, not only in trading, in life. Be disciplined, be patient, be confident. Be confident in your decisions. Be confident in what you know. Be confident in the strategy that you know. Be confident in the setup that you have. Be confident in what you're looking at. Trust in your strategies and protect your capital. And say no to the noise that surrounds you. Guys, say no. We're here, we live and we talk and we see and this and that, but it doesn't mean that you have to take the same trade that everybody else is taking, right? You play your game. We're there to socialize, to speak, to ask questions, to see if we can see something out of the ordinary. We can all share information, but it does not mean that we are all trading the same thing. Where, as a matter of fact, we're not trading the same thing. I see a lot of places and different discords that they're all trading the same thing. But let me tell you, if we do that, how are you going to learn? If we do that, how are you going to learn? If I tell you get in right now, how are you going to learn? Yeah, you're going to make money, but how are you going to learn? I constantly tell you guys, if I walk down the street, I get hit by a bus, you won't be able to survive if I'm telling you what to buy and what to sell. That's the whole point. I want you guys not to depend on anybody. I want you guys to be able to travel the world, open your laptop, and say, I'm going to the ATM. What's your ATM? The stock market. That's what I'm going to do. I want you guys to do it on your own, on your within yourself. You go on vacation, open your laptop, boom, there it is. You're at home watching, in the living room, open the laptop, boom, you know what you're doing. You talk to anybody, you can talk to whomever and talk about the stock market and know what you're talking about and know how to trade, know how to invest, right? So even though we trade live, it's not about me for tell you, hey, buy here, sell there, buy here, sell there. No, that's not the point. That's not the point. The point's for you guys to be successful on your own and be able to identify on your own, because one today you're with me, but it doesn't mean that tomorrow you will be, right? But at least you already have the tools. And guys, when you have knowledge, no one can take that away from you. No one. I can't take it away from you. No one can take that away from you. All right? So remember, the most successful traders are not those who say yes to everything. All right? We don't have to say yes to everything. Sometimes we ask, hey, did anybody get in that trade? And many of us say no, and some of us say yes. And that's okay, right? Because some of us are going to say yes, and some of us are going to say no, right? But the most successful traders are not those who say yes to everything, but those who have the wisdom to say no when it matters most. Harness, guys, harness the power of no and let it guide you towards a future filled with profitable trades, personal growth, and lasting fulfillment. Okay? You have to say no to achieve greatness, guys. You will not say, if you say yes to everything in life, imagine saying yes. Imagine you walking around in life and you cannot use the word no. That's crazy. Imagine all the things that you will be distracted with if you constantly say yes to every single thing. You can't do it. For me, the word no, every time I use the word no, for me is a new opportunity. That's what it stands for me. It's a new opportunity. When I say no to someone, it's a new opportunity. How do I make a new opportunity? When people tell me no, for me, that's a new opportunity. You're telling me no now, that means there's a new opportunity somewhere else. That's how I break the word no, right? That's how you're successful and you can be successful in sales or looking for business, right? You tell me no, all right, N-O, new opportunity. That's what it is, right? But every time you use the word no, guys, you're giving yourself a new opportunity for something else to come into your life. When you're using the word no in trading, it means no right now because you're looking for a new opportunity down the road. This is, I'm going to take a no now because I don't feel comfortable in this setup. So it is going to be a no. But in reality, a no is a new opportunity. Where am I going to find a new opportunity that I feel confident, that I've been patient, and that I'm protecting my capital and I am not paying attention to the noise that is around me, right? So, harness the power of saying no. I hope this really speaks to you guys, not only in trading, but in life as well. All right. So, it is 9:02. This is No Excuse Mentality podcast where we break, we embrace, and we unlock. All right. That's what I'm trying to do with you guys. I'm not just trying to build traders. I tell you guys many times. We are trying to build entrepreneurs that break, embrace, and unlock. All right. We break, we embrace, and we unlock. I will see you guys at 9:03 for live trading. Again, this is podcast, No Excuse Mentality podcast, Tuesdays and Thursdays, starting at 8:45, guys. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Thanks for being here, guys.